Discover how to use Google Bard AI in India with this concise step-by-step guide, unlocking the potential of this advanced language model developed by Google. Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena, and in this video I am going to talk about Google Bard and the steps that how you can work with it. Number 1. Open the Google Bard web page. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Bard AI website. Step 2. Getting started. If you have a Google account, sign in using your essential and credentials. If not, create a new account by clicking on the sign up button. Number 3. Writing prompts and text generation. Once you have signed in, you will see the Google Bard AI interface. Enter a specific writing prompt or question in the text input box to generate text. Step number 4. Refining the generated text. Read through the generated text and assess its quality and relevances. Modify your prompt or provide more context if needed. Step 5. Using advanced options. Explore advanced options such as adjusting text length, controlling creativity, and specifying a writing style to enhance your text generation experience. Step 6. Saving and exploring your text. If you are satisfied with the generated text, save it within your Google account or copy it to export it to a document of your choice. With this guide video, you can now unleash the power of Google Bard AI in India. Generate high quality text for various purposes and explore the creative possibilities that this advanced language model offers. Thanks for watching, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel.